Hi there. Today I'll show you how to use the Forex Trading Journal, which is available on our website, SpreadsheetsHub.com. This template helps you track your trades, analyze performance, and improve your trading strategy with clear, organized insights. Before getting started, take a moment to read the instructions on the first page. They'll guide you through how to use the template effectively. The first step shows you how to set up your plan, your accounts, and your primary categories. The second step shows you how to enter transactions between your accounts. Next, it's shown how to record your transactions in the trading journal. Next, you'll see how to analyze your monthly trading data, track your performance, spot trends, and identify areas to improve. In the next step, you'll learn how to analyze your annual trading report, track overall performance, review profits and losses, and identify areas for improvement. Then, you'll learn to review the comparison report, follow trends, evaluate performance, and optimize your strategy. Step 7 shows the strategy performance report to track strategy results, compare performance, and optimize your trades. Next, the ticker report shows how to track the ticker performance, monitor gains and losses, and spot trading opportunities. Then, the smart calendar helps you track all your trading activities. Next, see the Positional Calculator, calculate positions, manage risk, and plan trades with confidence. Go to the Setup sheet. Entering data begins with selecting the starting year. Enter currency. You can also just enter the currency. In the Profit Goals section, enter your monthly profit targets. If you prefer not to use this section, you can leave it blank. Let's enter examples of monthly plans for 20 to 25. Next, specify the list of accounts and their starting amounts. The current balance column is calculated automatically based on trading results. You can specify multiple accounts, allowing you to track different trading or brokerage accounts separately and gain a complete overview of all your funds. Next, you need to specify the list of strategies you use in trading. In the strategy column, enter the abbreviated version of each strategy. These will generate the drop-down lists in your trading journal. In the description column, write the full strategy name. The data in this block is used to generate the drop-down lists in the trading journal. The side column indicates the type of trade. Enter sell for short positions and buy for long positions. In the currency pair column, enter the pairs you plan to trade. Let's enter a few pairs as examples. When trading gold, always enter the pair in this format in Google Sheets and Excel to ensure accurate calculations. In the time frame column, enter the time frame you will use for trading. You can specify 100 categories in each block. Go to the Account Transactions sheet. This table should enter deposits and withdrawals from accounts. Let's show how to add money to the first account. Select a date. Select the account. Select the deposit. Enter the amount. And enter the withdrawal of money from the second account. This data will then be taken into account when calculating the current balance on the account. Go to the Trading Journal sheet. In this table, you need to enter your trading information. Enter the date. Change the date format so that it also includes the time. And enter the time. Select an account. Drop-down lists are generated based on data from the setup sheet. The data in the starting balance column is updated automatically. Select direction. Enter lot size. Specify the leverage. If you're trading without leverage, enter 1. Select the currency pair. Select the strategy. Select the time frame. Specify the net entry price, stop loss, and take profit. It is important to specify the stop loss and take profit values to calculate the position's risk. Next is the risk management block. Column 1R is calculated automatically. The point value shows how much 1 pip is worth in monetary terms for a given currency pair, depending on your position size. You can check the exact value in your broker's contract specifications for each instrument. Pip or point value can be calculated quickly with the MyFXBook Pip Calculator. The link is in the description. It is important to specify the correct point value as it directly influences the accuracy of your profit calculations. The data in the rate column is pulled up automatically. The amounts for max profit and max loss are calculated automatically. These columns also update automatically and help you manage risk. Next, move to the close position block. You can exit the trade in 3 steps. If you want to close the trade in 1 or 2 steps, you can leave all unnecessary columns blank. Enter the exit date. Enter the time. Enter the lot size and net exit price. Enter the commission amount. The data in the net quantity and average exit price columns is calculated automatically. The date and time in the duration column are calculated automatically. Next, go to the profit and loss section where the data is calculated automatically. These columns help track and analyze your trades. In the account details section, you only need to enter your deposit or withdrawal details if necessary. All other columns are calculated automatically. The notes column allows you to record any comments about the trade. Let's enter a few more examples. To make things easier for you, the input cells are white, and the formula cells that update automatically are highlighted in light blue. It's best not to change the formula cells as this could disrupt the calculations. These cells are also locked for protection. If you still decide to modify a formula, just enter your data. Click OK when prompted. The formula will be updated. In the Excel version, you can unlock the sheet without a password if needed, but we recommend leaving the formulas untouched to ensure everything functions correctly. Go to the monthly report sheet. The model is in English by default, but if you want to translate the tables into another language, you can use our TranslateHub tool. It's quick, accurate, and super easy to use. You'll find the link in the description below. Now, let's get back to the model. The data on this sheet is updated automatically. You only need to select the year and month. You can also view information for each individual account or for all accounts together. Let's take a detailed look at the report data. This block displays the trading results for the chosen month. See how your strategies performed, monitor gains and losses, and uncover insights to optimize future trades. The trade side chart illustrates the structure of your open positions, while the trade performance chart displays the results showing how your open trades are performing. The profit goal target chart shows the percentage of the goal achieved. The profit loss by trade chart shows the results of each trade. This chart displays the cumulative profits and losses for each trade, giving a clear view of your performance and growth over time. The results of trades chart shows the total profit and loss. The percent gain loss column shows the percentage profit or loss for each trade, helping you evaluate performance relative to the trade size. The profit loss by currency pair chart shows the total profits and losses for each currency pair, helping you see which pairs perform best. The winning strategy chart shows the distribution of your most successful strategies, helping you see which strategies generate the best results. Strategy performance shows the results of each strategy. The drawdown by trade chart shows the maximum loss for each trade, helping you assess risk and manage your trading strategy. More detailed information about the positions is available in the table below. Go to the annual report sheet. Select the year on this sheet, and the data will update automatically. Analytics can be viewed for all accounts together or for each account separately. This block displays your trading results with account statistics below. Monthly key indicators allow you to evaluate performance, spot trends, and make informed trading decisions. The trade side chart illustrates the structure of your trades, while the trade performance chart displays the outcomes, showing how each trade performed. The monthly performance chart displays the monthly outcomes of your trades, giving a clear view of your trading performance trends. The results of trades chart shows the outcome of each trade, helping you track wins, losses, and overall trading performance. This chart shows the running total for each trade. The percent gain-loss by trade chart shows the percentage result of each trade, helping you evaluate performance relative to trade size. The profit goal target chart shows the percentage of the goal achieved. Monthly profit goal chart shows your profit goals and progress for each month. Monthly performance shows trade results by month, helping track performance and refine your strategies. More detailed information about the positions is available in the table below. Go to the comparison report sheet. On this sheet, specify the period you want to analyze, and the data will update automatically. You can view information for each individual account or see a combined overview of all accounts. This block shows your trading results, allowing you to evaluate strategy effectiveness, spot patterns, and make informed decisions. The charts below allow you to analyze both the structure of your trades and their results. This chart displays how your trades performed, giving insight into wins and losses. The profit loss by trade chart shows the result of each trade, helping you track performance and evaluate your trading activity. The chart shows the running total of your trading results for each trade, helping you track overall performance over time. The winning strategy chart shows the distribution of your most successful strategies, helping you see which approaches contribute most to your results. The losing strategy chart shows the distribution of strategies that resulted in losses, helping you identify approaches that need improvement. This chart displays the percentage gain or loss for each trade, giving a clear view of which trades were most effective. This chart displays drawdowns in your account, highlighting periods of maximum loss and helping you control risk. Strategy performance shows result for each strategy, helping you track performance and improve your approach. The profit loss by currency pair chart shows the results of your trades for each currency pair, helping you see which pairs are performing best. More detailed information about the trades is available in the table below. Go to the strategy report sheet. Strategy report helps you clearly evaluate performance, identify weaknesses, and improve your trading decisions. On this sheet, you need to select a strategy and the data will be updated automatically. This block presents your trading results so you can gauge strategy efficiency and make informed choices. The chart below shows the amounts earned and lost. The trade performance chart shows the distribution of winning and losing trades, helping you quickly assess overall strategy balance. The trade side chart illustrates the structure of your trades. The profit loss by trade chart displays the result of each trade, showing how much you gained or lost on every position. The currency pair chart shows the distribution of trades across different currency pairs. The monthly strategy performance chart highlights month-by-month performance, allowing you to identify patterns and seasonal effects. Detailed trade information can be found in the table below. Go to the ticker report sheet. Ticker report provides a clear view of performance per ticker, helping you identify strengths and areas for improvement. You need to select a ticker and the data will be updated automatically. Here you can review the results of your trades by currency pair, giving a clear view of performance and patterns. The chart below shows the amounts earned and lost. The trade performance chart shows the distribution of winning and losing trades, helping you quickly assess overall strategy balance. The trade side chart shows the breakdown of your trades. The profit loss by trade chart displays the result of each trade, showing how much you gained or lost on every position. This chart visualizes how many trades were made per trading strategy, helping you see which strategies are most active. The strategy performance chart shows the profit and loss for each trading strategy. Detailed trade information can be found in the table below. Go to the Smart Calendar sheet. The data in the calendar is updated automatically. You only need to select the year. The calendar shows daily trading activity, highlighting the number of trades, profits, losses, and the R multiple metric. It helps you spot trends, assess performance, and make informed trading decisions. Next, go to the Positional Calculator sheet. Select currency pair, select direction, enter point value, enter account balance, enter risk per trade, enter stop loss, and take profit. You can also fill in the pricing information in the price detail section. This data is updated automatically. It helps manage risk by determining the appropriate position for each trade. And one technical point, if you're using the Excel version of this report, we recommend using Excel 2021 or later to ensure all formulas work correctly. Also, please avoid opening the Excel file in Google Sheets. If you prefer working in Google Sheets, we suggest using the dedicated Google Sheets version of the report instead. Try it out by entering your own trades. You'll see how easy it is to track performance and improve your trading. The template is available for download via the link in the description. For more personalized solutions, our team can build custom tables tailored to any level of complexity. We also offer templates with resale rights, along with an open affiliate program for those interested. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.